Winners do something. Always remember that before you have, you must first do. The harder you practice and do, the luckier you become. To have your prosperity and peace, you have to do. You will need to become a new self to do those things that lead to success. Remember that ultimately it is your attitude that determines your altitude, not your aptitude. Becoming implies learning something new and then applying your newfound knowledge. As you learn new subjects and gain a working knowledge of your new ideas, you become more interesting. You gain credibility as the one who knows and understands. You must strive to become a person of value. A valuable person is of great worth to fellow mankind. Being true to your values creates self-acceptance, self-love, and self-respect. You will find integrity where your righteous values and your actions meet. You must aim at prosperity and peace as your highest ideal. Make money online.